one big journey. There are people searching for inspiration all around us.
Work should be, if 80% of your life is spent working, it should be fun, it should be enjoyable.
On our journey to find meaningful work, providing a great working environment is a good first step.
I am the greatest!
I'm in London and I've been invited to squat in a couple of people's offices today. Right, I'm off to my first workplace of the day in East London. It's called Tech Space. So going to meet some great people there. So going to check this. Tech Space. Alright, so I'm here now in the basement of Tech Space inside, checking out the individually designed meeting rooms, which are awesome. Alright, so here's a fireside chat style event space, which, I really love. Find out what people love in life and celebrate that with them. Listen to them. That's our job as people professionals, to build trust, to build love, to build belonging and family as a feeling, as an atmosphere, as a vibe in an organisation. Those are the building blocks to concentrate on when you're building a culture, evolving a culture as your business keeps growing. And crucially, have the patience to help them find out, how do they want to grow? Building a culture and building meaning at work is really, really hard, but it's absolutely worth it. Heading into the second office I'm visiting today, so let's check it out. One big, beautiful journey. That's it.